Welcome to our video on React State versus Props. If you're a React developer, you've likely heard of these terms before, but what exactly is the difference? In this video, we'll explore the differences between React State and Props and provide some best practices for using them effectively. Props, or properties, are used to pass data from a parent component to a child component. These props are immutable, meaning they cannot be altered within the child component. State is used to manage a component's internal data and can be changed within the component. When this happens, React re-renders the component and updates the UI. Use props to configure components and state to manage internal state. Props and state should be used thoughtfully as they both affect how components render and behave. Thanks for watching.